In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select your specialization on Glassdoor, Expertise Area 2026. We'll start at the source. Open your browser and go to glassdoor.com. Using the desktop site makes this a little easier to see, but the steps are very similar on mobile. Once the homepage loads, sign into your Glassdoor account so you can access and edit your profile. If you're only here to browse openings, you can jump straight to the Jobs tab and search. But to set or refine your specialization, stay with me in your account. On the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is the menu that houses your account settings and profile details. From here, choose the option to edit your profile. You'll typically see a pencil icon that indicates Edit. Click that to open the editable version of your profile. Inside the profile editor, scroll until you find the section labeled Specialization. This tells Glassdoor the niche you operate in, so the platform can tailor job recommendations, alerts, and employer insights to you. Before the specialization menu becomes active, you may need to choose your primary industry. Pick the industry that best represents your field. For example, technology, consulting, accounting, law, finance, advertising, or IT. Once your primary industry is selected, the specialization drop-down will unlock and show options relevant to that industry. Go through the list and select the one that most closely matches your expertise. Aim for the option you'd be comfortable discussing in an interview or that aligns with the majority of roles you apply for. If you're in between choices, select the specialization you want to grow into, as long as it accurately reflects your skills. Take a moment to review the rest of your profile for consistency. Your headline, experience, and skills should support the specialization you just chose. Consistency helps recruiters and the recommendation engine present better matched opportunities. When you're satisfied, don't forget to click Save. This step is essential. Leaving the page without saving will discard your changes. After saving, you should start seeing more tailored job suggestions and insights. That's it. You've selected your specialization on Glassdoor and set yourself up for more focused results. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along as you update your profile.